out here with all the boys. Hey, we're out here with all the boys and girls and everybody out here on Taco Tuesday. We're riding to get some tacos. We already left the Wawa that we met up at. So we got everybody here. A little bit less of a group that we had at the Wawa, but nevertheless, we are all here to have a good time. And just make sure you guys got the Takis and everything and enjoy the show.
blue Gsxr, and he's out with the Gsxr 1000RR, man. That thing's insane. Yo, is that a slammed and like hammered out Miata, bro? Hold up, I used to have a bunch of Miatas. This thing's sick. That thing's awesome, dude. Look at that thing, man. That's crazy. That's, oh my goodness. These guys. This thing's popping a lot today, dude. This thing's popping a crazy amount.
Holy crap. Everybody loves just revving the crap out of it, I guess. It rained right before you know, we came out, but man, it's nice now, really nice right now. Oh, we all saw that little lightning, man. Oh man, oh man. when I switched it over to GP shift, I'm like really kind of I would say getting the hang of it, I guess. But I kind of like GP shift. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of getting used to it. I don't know. It's something. I don't know what these guys are doing. I don't know why they're doing that, man. These guys. Oh my goodness, dude. These people are crazy. They're crazy. I don't know why. It's just, that's so frustrating, man. When you got a bunch of like new riders and they're all trying to keep up with people that have been riding for forever. It's honestly, it just makes it really dangerous for everybody around you, you know? Like, half of those people up there are a lot of new riders, and it's a little bit crazy, I don't know. But I'm not saying that I'm not crazy, because I am, sometimes. It just depends on the day, I guess. So, who's next to me? Who's this? There we go. Yo! What was I saying? Yeah. When a lot of the new riders, they try to keep up with everybody else, it just makes things a little bit dangerous. So, you know, ride your own ride. Just be careful, be safe. That's all we can ever ask for. You know what I mean? And most importantly, have fun. You know, just have fun. Like, I don't have to go fast everywhere I go to have fun. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. It is hella fun to go fast. Not saying that it's not, but you know what I mean? It's just, do it at your own risk. You know, it's just the way it is, bro. Like, look, all those guys cut in front of those people just to get the same spot. Look, me and Carlos, we're right in front of right behind everybody. Look, we're at the same spot. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying. Just ride your own ride, ride safe. That's all it is. Yeah, we're almost to the taco spot. Oh, that's a big bump. Almost to the taco spot. So, we got a lot of. I know this is so loud in Carlos's ear, man. Look. Carlos trying to power wheelie. Oh my god, that thing looks like it just wants to take off, dude. That's that 2025 Gsxr 1000. That thing's insane, man. I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't stop saying it. But that thing's awesome, man. We're going the back way. No problemo. Yeah, I can make it. Oh man, being stretched, I noticed that I'm watching out for so many more bumps than I normally would watch out for. Like, this thing's got me stressed, man. Ever since I stretched it, I'm scanning the road 24/7. I feel like you know what? I'll put it this way. I feel like stretching the bike has made me a better rider because I'm so damn scared of all the potholes and little minor divots in the road. Like, look at all them. Look, this is exactly what I was saying. All of them cut through everybody, and look at them. They're stuck at the light. That is such a perfect, like, that's so funny that happened, because I was just talking about that, about them, you know, ride your own ride, you know, you don't need to go that fast, we're all going to the same spot, and look, we got here first than all of them, and they were going crazy. So, I don't know, that's all I gotta say for today, but we're gonna enjoy some tacos. Appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, interact in some way, shape, or form, and until next time, bye.